Hi, it's Joan, Bipolar Joan. I'm back, this time with a circle. It's cardboard. I cut it out. I spray painted it. Now the camera's still in my hand and I'm still doing this by myself. I'm gonna flip it over. I put styrofoam on the back of it and then I took popsicle sticks and reinforce these areas because they were bending down on me. Now I'm going to attempt, no, I'm not going to attempt, I'm going to start adding my bling. Stage one. Painting, I'm putting down the Mod Podge. I'm doing all of this with one hand. And see, oops, I was supposed to show you with the brush. Okay, this is the Mod Podge with one hand. This is like what I do with the, I can't do one thing at a time. I can only do one thing at a time. Okay, now I'm gonna put my crystals down. Crystals down. I don't think I'm doing it right. Uh-oh. Okay, this is all I have for this one. I gotta go get the other one. This is what happens when you get too excited. I didn't put anything underneath of it to catch my spillover bling. So don't do this at home. Don't do like I did. Okay, since I get glue on this paper, I don't want to put glue on this paper because I want to shake off my access, so I'm going to have to start up here and glue up the top here. And that way I make my glue mess, it won't go on the paper where I want my beads to go. There, this should do it. This is what I'm doing, it's little patches at a time. You have to excuse my hands, they're dry. I keep washing my hands every time I mess with the projects, trying to keep from making a really, really big mess. And I give it about a minute, and then I shake off the excess and put it back in here. I'm going to give it a minute, shake it all off, shake it on here, and then I'm going to pour it back in here and start over again until I finish. So, oh, that's right, I got to show shaking the excess off. Okay. Shake that off. And make sure if I have any up there, I'm going to shake that off. And I did. I had some left up there. That was smart of me. Okay. Fold it up in here. And make the attempt to pour it all back in. And hope I don't cry in the effect if I mess up. Voila. Okay, now I'm gonna go and repeat this process all the way around until I'm finished, and then I'll be back. Cut. Done. Okay, I have Mod Podge silver glitter, which makes me wonder why did I paint it gold. Still see a little gold fleck shining through the silver glitter. Now once that dries, then I'm going to go back over the piece with Mod Podge and seal it in. And then pick a trim and trim out my circle from the inside and on the side. I haven't figured that out yet. Well. I put too much glue on it. I put too much glue on it, and I got bubble stuff coming up of glue. So I'm trying pressing it down to get rid of some of them. But I don't see it going anywhere. It just squishes all around. So what do I do? Seriously, what do I do? Well, I did the trim. As you can see, I did the trim and the bling. Bling the trim. All up through here. But now, I'm remembering I need to do something with the inside. With all this mess going on in here. So this is what I'm going to attempt to do. I went online and I've got this bling I ordered, and it came in this. So I opened it up and I ended up with this, and it's heavy. Here's the front and the back. So what I'm going to do is cut this the long way and see how to fit it up in here and make this stuff disappear. I want to cut it so you can see me do it, but I'm still holding the phone by myself. I'll go get my son and have him, force him to stay here and help me because he said he would. La 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 la, I figured it out. I took that bling wrap stuff, I cut it, but I flipped it upside down, so I gotta go around here and do it, which means it's got the stickum on it, but I gotta stick it around the trim. on the parts where it's all buckled up and looking kind of nasty. So I'm kind of excited about this. It's upside down. I guess we'll see. Good stuff. Okay, I got it in the back. Now here's the problem. See all these holes? So I'm going to take a lot of my styrofoam and go around and try and fill in the holes so it won't look like such a mess on the side. We'll see. I'm doing it by myself. I can't show you the frustrations of it all. Okay, let me stuff my holes. I'll be back. Wow. I got it in the middle. Look at it. It's a shining. Okay, now I'm gonna go back and trim the outside. Trim around the outside. See around here, it looks nice and blingy, but it got pop bubbles around it. See the bubbles? Pull it back and see if they can, maybe they can see it. Can you see it? So I don't know what I'm going to do with all that. Right now I want to get this done. And then, I don't know how to fix it. I got to figure out I got my husband and my son helping me with this to get response from you professionals. Help your bipolar sister out. She know not what she do, but she like doing it.
This copper
Ow! Ow!
these attachments will be what will be holding the wood.
Ow!
There is too much gap between the copper pipes and the wood.
Okay.
So I'm going to remove the copper
So
pipes
that didn't
and
work
attach
too
them from the
well.
inside.
Oh, okay. Well, okay, there goes another pattern, and it covers up my boo-boos. I like it. Well, I'm in my water closet. This is where the toilet area is put in a private place instead of in the room with everything else. And this is my circle. I put it up. I did the diamond ring in the middle, but I didn't show you that. I love it. I did the vase that's on your right, and I did the toilet paper holder out of some insulation. I just stapled the two ends and put glue on it and wrote the name toilet paper in it. So this is my water closet, my bathroom, and I think it's beautiful.